we are coming to our live show.
Yes, so Vicky, so as you may know, our company name is Eternal Bliss Alloy Castings and Forgings Company Limited, and normally we call ourselves as EB China. Okay, so Vicky, so do you know where are we located?
We are located in Castings&Forgings, about 115 kilometers far from Shanghai.
Yes. Okay. So we are very nearby Shanghai city.
So some of our alloy castings are shipped from Shanghai Port by sea and or from Shanghai International Airport by air.
Yes. Okay. So so we EB China was established in 2014. So Vicky, do you know what's the registered capital of EB China?
The registered capital of our company is 13.14 million Chinese yuan.
Okay, 13.14 million Chinese yuan. Okay, great. Okay, so we have been the good supplier on Alibaba for many years. Actually, so how long?
More than 6 years.
Okay, 6 years. Yes, a long time. Okay, so actually, most of our turnover were transacted online on Alibaba. So actually, so far, what's the turnover online on Alibaba?
More than 3 years.
More than 3 million. 3 million US dollars. Okay. Okay, good. So yes, so now, so every year, the third party, such as TUV, will come to our company. Yes, will come to our company, to our foundry. Yes, to do the on-site assessment. Yes. Okay, so now we'd like to take this opportunity to show our certificates for all our friends here. Okay, the first one. Okay, this one. So we specialize in here. Okay, so we specialize in high wear, heat, and corrosion resistant high alloy castings and forgings. So we have many different important certifications. So this is the first one. This is
Quality management system complex.
Yes, with
GBT 90,001
yes
to 2060,
yes.
iOS 9001 2050.
Great. This certificate is valid for the following scope.
Supply of alloy casting and forgings.
Good. Okay, so on this certificate you can find our
certificate
number. Yes.
certificate date, certificate birth date, date of
Initial
certification.
Also, you can find our unified social credit code of the certified organization. Yes. Okay. Also, you will note that IAF and CNAS issue this certificate for us. Okay. So this is our ISO 9001. Yes, certificate. Okay. So let's come to the second one. Okay, let's come to this one. 14,000. Okay, let's come to the second important certificate. So what's this certificate about?
Environmental Manager System complies with GBT 24000 to 2060, IRS 40001 to 2050 requirements.
Yes. The certificate is valid for the following scope:
Supply of ILO casting and
forgings.
and sites.
Yes. Also, we can find our certificate number and the
Certificate date, certificate file date, date of initial certification.
also we can find our unified social credit code of the certified organization on this certificate. Also, you can note that IAF and CNAS, the organization, issued this certificate to us. Okay. This is our environmental management system certificate. Let's come to the third one. Okay, so what's this certificate about?
Occupational health and safety management system complies with GBT 45001 to 2020, ISO 45001 to 2080 requirements.
Right. This certificate is valid for the following scope.
Supply of ILO casting and forging and sites.
Yes. Also, you can find our certificate number.
Certificate date, certificate file date, date of initial certification.
Also, you can find our
United Social Credit Card of the certified organization.
yes. Also, CNAS issued this certificate to us. Okay. So we have, we just looked through our three important certificates. Okay. Also, we also like to show you our
Verified supply certificate.
yes. Also, every year TUV
Has mass
yes has come to us yes to make the on-site assessment. Yes, TUV was appointed by Alibaba International, came to us every year to make the on-site assessment. Okay, when we are qualified, then TUV will issue this certificate to us. Okay, so on this certificate you can find our
certificate number 20881155.
T. Yes. Also, you can find our full company name,
无锡 internal
internal.
无锡 internal police ILO casting forging company.
Yes. Okay. So also you can find this certificate is valid from
6th September 2020, valid until 50th September 2021.
good. Okay. This is our verified supply certificate from TUV. Also, we also would like to take this opportunity to show our another certificate to you. This is a
Audited supplier.
yes. Also, this is a SGS came to our company and our foundry and forging plant to make the on-site assessment. Then we were presented this certificate. Okay, you can note it was audited by SGS CSTC on
2020 June 50.
15. Yes. Also, this audit report serial number is
QIP ASI 204795.
Yes, also you can see SGS issued this certificate to us. Okay. Okay, so okay, so so far also Vicky, you know, we are also the
member of the Wuxi Economy Panel.
yes, we are also the member. We are also the member of Wuxi e-commerce chamber. Also, so far, you know how many patents we have.
We have 22 patents.
Yes, you know, EB China not only just focus on the the manufacture, marketing, our high alloy castings and forgings. Also, you know, we focus on the research and development of new materials, especially including ceramic liner, ceramic materials, and wear, paint, corrosion resistant materials. Yes, so far we have 22 patents. Okay, so also, you know, Vicky, can you please also introduce this to our friends here? I just try to find some patents.
We have warmly participated in the social activities to take the social responsibility.
Yes, okay. So all these our independence. Okay. Yes, okay. So far we have we can account how many. This is our trademarks. Okay, totally we have 5 different trademarks. The first one is for the trademark is EB casting. Okay. The second one is trademark is 千百柱段. Yes, in Chinese. Yeah, the third one, our trademark is EB board. EB board. Okay. Okay. The fourth one is EB world. EB wild. This is our the fourth trademark. Okay. This is the fifth trademark is
EB technology.
okay, good. This is all our trademarks. Okay. Okay, so now we also would like to take this opportunity to introduce our different 22 patents. Okay, so this one is this patent is about material handling frames. Okay, the second one is second patent is heat treatment material trays. Okay. The third patent is heat treatment new type heat resistant steel material trays. This patent is from EB China is for EPC cast sand blocks. Is for our improvement of production process. This patent from EB China is corrosion resistant bolts and washers. This patent from EB China is cast cobalt alloy round bar split rings. This patent is mining lift bar. This patent from EB China is aluminum casting. This patent is for metallurgical waste gas facility and a metallurgical system. This patent is for machining working table. This patent is for heat treatment process. So we have many different patents. Okay, this one is for high strength, high toughness lift bars. Also, it's a kind of very resistant product. This patent from EB China is for cold mill combined mill liners. This patent from EB China is a tangible lift bar, wear resistant lift bar castings. Okay, this one is from computer software registration certificate. Also comes from EB China. It's about heating and cooling smart control system for our heat treatment process. Okay. This computer software registration certificate is for cooling facility, remote adjustment working tables. Okay, this computer software copyright registration certificate from EB China is for heating furnace temperature control system. Okay, this computer software registration certificate from EB China is about middle frequency furnace, automatic liquid metal iron temperature control system. Okay, the last one is also computer software copyright registration certificate from EB China. Is for quenching furnace heat treatment temperature control system. Okay, so we have totally 5 trademarks and 22 patents. Yes. Okay. Thank you. So, my dear friends, if you are interested in our high alloy casting and forging parts, please feel free to contact us. Firstly, follow us on our Alibaba shop, then send us your inquiry online, or just send us your inquiry, your requirements by email. So you are always welcome. Okay. So thank you. So that's all for today. For our company introduction. Yes. Okay. Also, thanks Vicky. Okay. Thank you. Thanks.
Next, welcome to my colleague, Lizzie.
Liz, yeah, from her live show. Okay, 出来拍一下照吧。Okay, so 你先准备一下你的。Come here. Okay, thanks, Vicky. Okay, thank you. Thanks, Vicky. Okay. Here. Okay. Okay, so let's welcome Liz, the wonderful live show. Today, Liz will present us. Okay, so welcome, Liz. Okay, welcome.
Hello, everybody.
Actually, Ductile iron, metal cover, and gorilla cover.
他要黄皮套，就是本来还要发给他，这常规没有。
This page is advantages of the ductile iron. The first one is it has the toughness. The impact value is similar to that of medium carbon steel, which is more than 10 times of 3 iron weight. Second is it's high strength. Tensile strength of 420 parts. Yield strength of 3 ampere. The same as low power steel, 3 times the gray iron weight. Third is it has a good plasticity. Its elongation more than 7%, similar to high carbon steel. But green iron date elongation is almost zero. The fourth one is its strong corrosion resistance. In the water-free corrosion test, the corrosion amount in 19 days is only 40 part of the steel type and 10 of the gray iron type. The device life is twice that of gray iron type and 5 times that of ordinary steel type. This page is advantages of ductile iron. The back page. It's good dumping and low cost. Because of the dollar red page microstructure of the modular cast iron, it is real to cast steel in reducing vibration. An important reason for choosing spherical grafted cast iron is such kind of cast iron has a lower cost than cast steel. The low cost of the lunar cast iron makes this material more popular. The casting efficiency is higher, and the machine cost of modular cast iron is also reduced. This page is for characteristics of the ductile iron metal cover. First of all, it is no noise during survive. In line with environmental requirements, the contact surface between the body and the ring is almost zero. We adopt the 3 processes to ensure 100% seamless match to eliminate the noise when the values are passing by. This page is for characteristics of the iron, the ductile iron metal cover 2. The tensile strength. It has tensile strength. Softness, strong bearing force. Above are several times that of ordinary cast iron, which are close to the material of steel. The carrying capacity is 9 must better than the national standards. Almost 316 km. It can withstand all kinds of the heavy truck rolling. It can effectively prevent the accident from the failure of the manhole covers. The third characteristic of ductile iron manhole covers is its safety. The integrated connection of our safe ductile iron manhole cover will not fall off the ground and will not shake. The fourth characteristic of it is the non-slip test process. The explicit non-slip testing technology makes our production line clear, and the unique non-slip pattern on the surface of the manhole cover increases the fraction to prevent pedestrians from slipping due to rain, snow, and ice. Next part, we will show you the picture of the ductile iron rail covers. One is bigger bearing capacity. Second one is better anti-slip capacity. The third one is better fixing performance. This part is big. It will not be lifted or washed away by rainwater during heavy rain. It will drainage. Manhole covers are generally designed for drainage when it rains in the city center. The material is generally cast iron with a gap in the middle to facilitate the small flow of water into the well. And there is generally a row of strong sticks to block dirt or other debris. This page is a picture of ductile iron rail covers. The first one is it's easy construction, and the second is light in weight. Third is better in loading bearing and impact resistant anti-bending. The fourth is more beautiful and durable after hot dipping zinc treatment. The fifth is better anti-corrosion. The last one is we adopt the hand connection or hook connection, which is easy to open and has the anti-slip function. Here has a table. I'll show you the first the EN 124 standard. It has A 15, B 125, C 250 and 50, D 400, E 605, F 900. The 2 liter is the bearing capacity ton. The A50, the A15 will have bearing the 1.5 ton. The B125 it will bear 20.5 12.5 tons. The C250 will bear the 25 tons. She will bear the 40 tons. And more. The E600 will bear 60 tons. The F900 will bear the 19 tons. The next one is this application field. It will apply for pedestrians and bicycles. The B will apply for footpaths and pedestrian area, car parkers or parking platforms. C will apply for ditches inside the road. D will apply for the roadway and carriageway, including the pedestrian access, public shoulders, and the parking area. E will apply for the aircraft hangars and the flight runways. The last one will apply for the airstrip. The three part is the sizing and shape of the manhole covers. The product, this is how you can see. It has two sizes. 300 millimeter and 300 millimeter. It can cover diameter is 280 millimeter and 280 millimeter. It will clean over and its clear opening is 45 millimeter and 245 millimeter. Its depth is 25 millimeter. Line weight is 66.5 kilogram. Loading capacity is 144 or 24. Okay. Next. There is you can see we have 900 millimeters OD and 800 millimeter OD, and this value is square over it. It has 750 millimeter and 740 millimeter. The difference is the depth. This one is 80 millimeter, and the next larger is 100 millimeter. And the line weight, this is 55 kilogram, and this one is smaller and just 53 kilometer. Okay, next page. There are barrels of our manhole covers. This is 650 millimeter OD, and this is 85 millimeter OD. Its cover diameter is 540 millimeter, and this one is covered is 635 millimeter. difference of them, they have the same depth, the same 100 millimeter depth. Okay, you can see some. There has three kinds of the metal covers. This one is the rounder one. This is a square. This is the juicy. It only is 900 millimeter and its cover diameter is 700 millimeter. The OB is the 670 millimeter depth is 100 millimeter. Lightweight is 85 kilograms. The loading capacity is the same, just the same, the EN 124, E60. There has a different OD. This is the 760 millimeter and the 760 millimeter. And the next one is 970 millimeter and 970 millimeter. Okay, you can see it. This one is the largest. It only will the 1390 millimeter to 860 millimeter. This one is the largest and its lightweight is the biggest. It will weight 430 kilograms. This depth is 150 millimeter. This one is the last one, and it measures at 560 millimeter. Weight will arrive the 460 millimeter. Depth will arrive 45 millimeter. Lightweight is 40 kilograms. Loading capacity is the standard is EN 124 and 5 at 900. This part is the fourth part. It shows you the size of the and shape of the grill cover. This is next floor the 400 millimeter. Its weight is 300 millimeter. Depth will around 27 millimeter. Lightweight will 6.5 kilogram. Loading capacity is EN 124 and A 150. So that this one is a circle one. Its only will around 330 millimeter. Cover diameter is 350 millimeter. Clear opening is 300 millimeter. Depth is 50 millimeter. Lightweight is a light kilogram. Loading capacity is different for the above one. It is EN104 and A5. This one is the square one. It only will run 480 millimeter and 590 millimeter. Cover diameter is 530 millimeter. Next, you can wait just a moment. Certainly, we have not only this size of product, but also this one. Okay, you can see. The next part will welcome our colleagues, Ethan. Okay, he will show you.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Ethan from ED China. This afternoon, I will tell you about the new concept of the fine crushing and grinding technology in the cement and the mining industry. As we know, based on the theory of the four-mill system engineering, this paper is called The Comprehensive Applications of the Science and Technology in the Fine Crushing and Grinding Process. It puts forward a new concept of cement and mining crushing and grinding technology through the analysis of the working conditions and the operation of each work part of the whole mill. The cement and mining industry are basic industries in the national economy. They have the characteristics of the system's stability, large volume, and high energy consumption. Therefore, high initial and low consumption are the predominant factors in the cement and the mining industries. Throughout the domestic and foreign markets, there are large ups and downs, and fierce conditions and the ultimate goal of the enterprise competition is quality and cost. Therefore, technological upgrading and improvement optimization should be the top priority of the brand enterprise development. The crushing and grinding through action lines are widely used in the productions of the marine, cement, electronic power, chemical industry, building materials, and other industries. It plays a pivotal and fundamental role in the national manufacturing industry, and yes, also the main thing for the marine, cement, and other enterprise to improve effectively and reduce consumption, pressure, fine pressure, and then through the grinding process to save fine powder. silicas are crushed and ground, and the processing technical of crushing and grinding processing. Nearly 6 billion tons, about 1.7 billion tons of the home use in the coal-fired power plants must be crushed before it is injected into the oils for the combustion and the power generation. In 2019, China produced 9.96 million tons of the steel based on the average iron content of 30%. The 30% chrome. 3.3 million tons of iron ore along need to be crushed and ground every year. Copper, gold, mobilities, criminal, criminal, and other material mines have similar plastic production processes. The gravel and the sand used in the concentrate allow to be broke and finally broke because before it can be applied to all kinds of structure process. Crushing and grinding processes consume about 4 million tons of growing resistance materials every year. The power consumption of crushing and grinding is up nearly 70% of the whole production process. Therefore, the improvement of crushing and grinding production technology is the main direction for the enterprise to achieve energy saving, competition, reduction, and the benefits improvement. As we know the background of the project technological, the mistakes of the correct crushing and grinding process. Bone meal is called low efficiency machine. In fact, it is a misunderstanding. People do not really understand the bone meal. It is described machine in the grinding process. The bone meal has been around for more than 100 years. Over past 100 years, great changes have taken place in the grinding process. The feeding particular size of the bone meal has changed from about 20 millimeters in simple production to about 1 millimeter in modern mass production. About the new concept of the crushing process is that crushing and grinding production is the main link in cement production and the main beneficent, and it is power consumption accounts for nearly 70% of the entire production process. Therefore, the importance of the crushing and grinding production process is the main goal of the enterprise to achieve energy saving, consumption reduction, and eventual improvement. The significance of the new constant process establish the working state of the bone mill under the new materials condition, and effectually condense with roller process, materially mill and other bending and fine pressures. Improves the output, reduce energy consumption, improves the particular form, optimize the practical structure performance of segments of scans with beneficial theory. So our company has created our patented products, the bone mill, ceramic liner plant, which forwards the bone mill system engineering theory. And according to the system engineering theory, the bone mill grinding process to make import making changes, design and launch the chemical liners plant and ceramic lining plant and the bone conditions to increase output and reduce consumption. The proliferation of the ceramic is only about 40% of steel, which can reduce the weight of the line by more than 50%, improves efficiency of the bone mill, reduce the energy consumption of the bone mill. The remaining curves as extremely high wear resistance, greatly reducing the running cost and the maintenance rate of the bone mill. Look at these photos. These are pictures of the ceramic liners plants. So the significance of the new concept process is that it establishes the working state of the bone mill under the new material condition. The efficiency combining it with local press, increasing the output, reducing energy consumption, and improving the particular shape of optimizing the particle structure. The driven for the higher strength of the cement. Look at the pictures. This is our bone mill modified according to the new concept process. Reduces 90% of the bone of the mill grade, which not only reduces manufacturing cost and cost access rates of the bone mill, increases the stress of the barrel body, also eliminates the phenomenon of the leakage of powder and greatly improves the working environment of workers. There is the experiment of this project for its preliminary training. Our new concept branding process has been used to on the payment wires with diameters of 3.8 meters and 4.2 meters. The ceramic liner and is used in industries application is metal grinding hole on the cement mill with diameter of 3.8 meters. So in the cement mile is diameter of 4.2 by 13.5 meters. The output of 42.2 gram cement stand is as high as 2090 tons and power consumption is about 24 degrees per ton. The output is about 200 to 230 tons. And the power consumption is about 30 to 33 degrees per ton when the additional design is used in the same coating of mild the chemical middle liner road has been used in the Tianjin factory, cement factory for more than 60 months. It has been required by the customers and the design is symmetry and stable. The well resistant performance is an experimental idea which determines the development direction of the whole mill. Innovating board in the future and making growth act. In the industry test of 3.8 by 13 meter cement mill, single mill composed of bending itself cementing all three liners has been successfully run for 7 years. Compared with traditional mills, the output has been increased by 30%. Power consumption per ton is about 25 centigrades, and more importantly, service life of well resistant materials has been increased by more than 50%. So we can get the conclusions that first conclusion is the new concept of the creation and branding technology has increased the output of the whole mill by more than 20%, saving about 20% of the electronic and extends the life of the well resistance materials by more than 15%. For example, if Mile will be used for 2 months, and if you use the new consumption of the threshing and grinding technology, so you can use it for 3 months. And the second mention is that under the new working conditions, the work tests of the setting role field has been undergoing a monumental change. It is necessary to forestudy role field and use comprehensive knowledge to improve the special power of role fields. The third condition is that the bone grinding ceremony or mills has all practical significance unless the bone is uniform bone determined as the greatest grinding ability. And the fourth conclusion is that single chamber mill composed of a variety of minor strands with shapes can greatly increase the output of the mill and greatly reduce the power consumption. The fifth conclusion is that essentially well-resistant materials are basis of new consumption of grinding and grinding knowledge. The last conclusion is that the whole mill system engineering theory, ceramical liners and mental goals will be the best conditions, and it can effectively reduce and in the new set of the whole mill system engineering, whether it is cement or mines, whether it is drug or red blending process, we do not hesitate to comment ceramic miners. This is all for the ceramic of our mining and the grand old land. Let's welcome my college.
chemical signals. Basic information of makeup powder. The color and the shape of makeup powder. Extreme gray, regular powder into oxides in most air. Used to prepare non-freeze alloys, high temperature anti-oxidation materials, vertical materials are also used as a canister for chemical reactions. And paper with protective marks, like classical bags, claw bags, and iron drops. These are photos of makeup powder. And here is the test report of solvent powder. Part 2, I will introduce the aluminum powder. Aluminum powder, commonly known as silver powder, that is silver metallic pigment. A small amount of pigment is added to paint wash into scaly powder and then polished. The color of aluminum powder is silver white metal powder. The uses of aluminum powder are inks and flowers. And with protective marks like classical drawback and other strong. These are photos of makeup powder. It's the tester of cocoa powder. Actually, I will include the cocoa powders. The cocoa powders are divided into three parts: pure cocoa powder, cocoa, and cocoa powder. The production process of cocoa powder is divided into consolidation method and reduction method. Now the most used method is combination. Picture of cocoa powder. The color of pure cocoa powder is red, and the color of cocoa powder is yellow. Cocoa powder is white. Powder Material for the production of colored powder is colored oxide. The color of the colored powder is red. And these are uses of colored powder and the making of colored powder. These are colored powder. Hello, everyone. This is Sharon from EV China. Welcome to our lecture today about alloying and incidental alloying. First of all, alloy. Part 1 is cobalt alloy. Part 2 is dental alloy. Okay, part 1. Cobalt alloy. I will introduce cyanide boards and seeds. The material of cyanide. Cyanide is hard alloy that can withstand various types of wear and corrosion and high temperature oxidation, commonly known as cobalt chromium tungsten or cobalt-based alloy. Cyanide is based on cobalt as the main component, containing a considerable amount of nickel, chromium, and tungsten. You can see this table is chemical composition for cyanide, such as cyanide 3. For carbide is 2.0 to 2.7%. For manganese is less than 1.0%. For silicon is less than 1.0%. For chromium is 29 to 33%. For nickel is less than 3.0%. For tungsten is 11 to 14%.
For iron is less than 3.0% and the keyboard is balanced. Statement 4. For carbide is 0.8 to 1.2%. For manganese is less than 1.0%. For silicon is less than 1.5%. For chromium is 28 to 32%. For nickel is less than 3.0%. For tungsten is 5.5 to 15.5%. For iron is less than 3.0% and the keyboard is balanced. Statement 6. For carbide is 0.9 to 1.4%. For manganese is less than 1.0%. For silicon is less than 1.5%. For chromium is 27 to 31%. For nickel is less than 3.0%. For tungsten is 3.5 to 5.5%. And the keyboard is balanced. Statement 5. For carbide is 1.1 to 1.7%. For manganese is less than 1.0%. For silicon is less than 1.0%. For chromium is 28 to 32%. For tungsten is 7 to 9.5%. For iron is less than 3.0% and the keyboard is balanced. Statement 20. For carbide is 2.2 to 3.0%. For silicon is less than 2.0%. For chromium is 30 to 34%. For nickel is less than 3.0%. For tungsten is 14 to 18%. And the keyboard is balanced. Next, the products of Stay9. The first one is Stay9 boards. The Stay9 board is keyboard alloy. The items is HRC45, HRC55. The most used material is Stay920. The second one is Stay9 6. The material of the Stay9 6 is generally lower than the material of the Stay9 boards. The material is Stay9 3 or A3. Next, some photos for Stay9 boards and seats. Next, some videos for Stay9 boards and seats. You can see this video is for Stay9 boards. Okay, next video. You can see this video is for process. Okay, next, some painting photos for Stay9 boards and seats. Next, test report for Stay9 boards and seats. You can see the material is A3 or Stay9 3. The specification is diameter 31.75 mm. you can see the carmine, the range is 2.5 to 3.0%, and the actual value is 2.95. For bromine, the range is 33 to 36 cent, and the actual value is 33.79. For tungsten, the range is 17 to 19.5 cent, and the actual value is 18.1. And the cobalt is balanced. For basic properties, the hardness is HRC 59. Next, different size for stay-night boards and sticks. For cobalt alloy boards, you can see the specification is diameter 15.88 millimeter and diameter 19.05 millimeter. Diameter 22.23 millimeter. Diameter 23.83 millimeter. Diameter 25.4 millimeter. Diameter 28.575 millimeter. Diameter 31.75 millimeter. Diameter 34.95 millimeter. Diameter 38.1 millimeter. Diameter 42.88 millimeter. And the diameter 50.8 millimeter. And the material is Z920. For cobalt alloy 6. The standard is API LAP. You can see May 11 to 106. The unit is 23 gram. For V11 to 125, the size of bore is diameter 90.05 millimeter, and the size of seat is odd diameter 23.32 millimeter. Inner diameter is 13.97 millimeter, and the height is 10.7 millimeter. For V13 to 175, the size of bore is diameter 28.58 millimeter. The size of seat is odd diameter 35.26 millimeter, and the inner diameter 20.96 millimeter, and the height is 5.7 millimeter. The material is C93 or A3. Next, I'd like to show some samples for you. You can see this product is our samples. This one looks a little big. The diameter is 15.8 millimeter. The The material is D920 and the surface is G100. This one, the size is diameter 15.88 millimeter. The material is D920. You can see this one is C96. The old diameter is 35.62 millimeter, and the inner diameter is 20.96 millimeter, and the height is 5.7 millimeter. The material is C93. Okay, next, export for C9 boards and seats. We have export to C9 boards and seats in many countries, such as the USA, UK, Germany, Spain, Brazil, and Austria, and other countries. Our customers have very good feedback on our C9 boards and seats. If you have any inquiry for C9 boards and seats, please follow our shop. Thank you. Okay, next, part 2, dental alloy. Nickel and cobalt dental alloy. First name, chemical composition for dental alloy. The casting process of dental alloy parts is investment casting, also known as non-wax casting method. The basic process is to first make a wax model from wax or plastic. The surface of the wax model is coated with an engraving material to make the casting model, and then the molten alloy is cast into the casting cavity inside, forming a casting. You can see this table is chemical composition for dental alloy. This one is cobalt chromium dental alloy. The carbide is 27 to 30%. For molten is 5.0 to 7.0%. For carbide is 0.2 to 0.26%. For magnet is 0.28 to 0.38%. For silicon is 0.75 to 0.97%, and the cobalt is balanced. The next is nickel chromium dental alloy. For carbide is less than 0.05%. For silicon is less than 1.5%. For chromium is 22 to 26%. For iron is less than 2.0%. For molten is 9 to 11%. And the nickel is balanced. Next, demand description for dental alloy. The market for dental alloy is very broad because of the widespread dental industry. The demand for dental alloy has increased. As we all know, there are many types of dental alloy materials. Today, we show the demand for dental alloy of various materials. You can see this photo is demand description. The first one is nickel dental alloy, account for 59% of the world. The second one is cobalt dental alloy, accounting for 31% of the world. The third one is nickel beryllium titanium dental alloy, accounting for 7% of the world. And the last one is others, accounting for 3% of the world. Next, some photos for dental alloy. Next, some videos for dental alloy. You can see this video is nickel chromium dental alloy. Okay, next video. Okay, next. This video is from gold chromium dental alloy. Okay, next, I'd like to show some samples for you. You can see this one is nickel chromium dental alloy. The diameter is 9.6 millimeter and the thickness is 10 millimeter. This one is cobalt chromium dental alloy. You can see the diameter is 6 millimeter and the thickness is 8 millimeter. Okay, if you have any inquiry for dental alloy, please follow our shop. Thank you. That's all for my speech now. Thank you for your time. Welcome to our next lecture. Thank you. Okay, next, welcome my colleague.
This is also from China. Our resistance still about our technology, we have forecast and the customer and our resistance testing. And the class 2 is our treatment class. And we also have 40 class and shape. Now I will need to start our investigations still castings. About our students in castings, we have some parts, including our treatment casting and treatment traits. And also we have some treatment tube. We also call it spherical tubes. And we also have some body spooler and some weight bars, sliding pod castings and slant pod castings. And like these photos, picture 1 and picture 2 is our treatment trace. And we also have a small symbol in our office. And another picture in our treatment basket. We like to picture 5. This is our furniture, and the picture 9 is our video chips. And we also have slang pod, like the photo railway, and slang pod castings, like the photos are. First of all, about our treatment parts in theory. Usually we use the simulation in the GX 404 27 and 4. And we are using another name of the one 4, 8, 2, 3. And this theory is our to some chemical, like this list. And usually often procure material is red for credit. And we also correct that quantity file and height. That means the normal is about 25 and the nickel is about 100 like this. And another pure is last dualist. We call them 2.47 and that have 48 normal and 30 nickels. And we also have some now I will show that. The first one is our treatment basket was like this. This is a small treatment trace. And the long side and the right side is same. The side is 400 millimeter, and the high side is about 30 millimeter. And sometimes we do some marks in our trace, like this part. This is our some marks, including our material numbers and hit numbers. Also have some other information like drawings, number,
7元，今天有报价了。
and another small symbol is our treatment basket. This is very small, and the long side is only 500 millimeter, and the wide side is only 200 millimeter, and the high side is about 50 millimeter. Like this, and we also do some marks like this. This is production date marks, and another marks is our computer name. And material name. Like this. This is very easy. And about our other parts. Reading tubes. On our reading tube. The reading tube is put about 18 photos. Like these photos. This is some types. Now we have a new type. And double types. And also have some other types. And this radio tube we use the progress and lossless progress and single fiber casting program. And we do welding and assembly. This is our another material staging. This material staging is A+T and A297. And this, and the grade is including HF, HH, and HP, 95 chrome and 20 nickel, and HU, 90 chromium and 39 nickel. And another computer material and HP, 96 chromium and 35 nickel. Like this. And we also have some furniture ruler and some cubes, blocks. So now I will introduce our simple fiber cast. First of all, simple fiber casting is a program, and that can be used to make some bronze cube type like this. The first way is bronze like this, and this material is the same with OO. And they do single fiber casting and doing shape as per our drawing. another our double SS centrifugal parts and our material usually use the SAF 205 and 207. The first one is our casting furnace, and when we finish the machine, we will check again our side. This is our surface finish check, and the long side, ID side, OD side. We check here, and when we check in all parts, we will shipping, packing, like photos. This is our wooden case and our long pipe. And about our centrifugal castings, we also have some wire resistance steel to make some pipes like these photos. This is our heading, centrifugal heading. Also is a big pipes. And this photo is our homometric rulers. And the others is more than HRC 55. And this is a 27 runs. And the hardness is more than HRC 60. And the imported village is about G. And this also is our wire resistance steel casting, and the hardness is for HRC 59. And the material is ASTA A532 class 3 type A, and another name we call it Global 35. And the last, we will check this type, like these photos. And this is our runs. We will share about our big tools. Like this photos and our check on the first Spanish. And we do PT test like this. This is our castings, intro castings photos. And about our supervision casting style. On each side, we can make from 80 millimeter to 1000 millimeter, and on our long side, we can make from 100 to 6 to 3 or 4,000 millimeter one piece, and very long. And about our working temperature is from 20 to 1,200. And our materials, including wire resistance steel, like some ASTF A128, and some high chromo white armor, and some high nickel hard white armor, and some chromo multi balance use. And we also have some heat receiving steel curie like 1-port foil and 2-port foil 7 line. And we also have some SS curie like SS304 and 302 and 316. And we also have some double SS curie like SS205 and pH 17 and 4. And another curie like some harder and more. And then now I will introduce our ruler and sleeve, like these photos. The picture is our ruler, and we can know that including the two shaft and the cubes. But when we assemble them, with the wedding, and we do a shape like the photo 7 and 4. And when we check in pass if we are taking the shape. And picture 2 is our storage slate. Usually is a very more quantity and some small size. And how to use the centrifugal casting to make some rods. Like this photo. The first one we use the centrifugal casting to make a block pipe. And then we do machine the pipe, the only side. Then we will cutting like the picture 3. Cutting the pipe to small rods. And another we do machine again. And prepare our drawings to check our OD side, ID side, and the side. And when we finish the machine, and we are checking our side again and prepare our drawings like the picture 4. And this. And the first thing we will check our self-furnish, and you often we also do some X test and MP test, UP test, like this photo. And when we check, and when we checking all it pass, we also taking that in a wooden case. And this is our inspection report. That including our side, A, B, C side, and our harness. The harness is more than HRC 53. And our harness is HRC 56. So this is top. And we also check out the jury like the last release. And also in the pass. Then we will send our report to our customers, and we do packing and shipping. And And now, today I introduce our hair treatment parts that include hair treatment past care and hair treatment trees. We also have some radio tubes, fine roller, and the green bar, transport, medications. And another, I introduce our production progress in single people casting programs. And if you have any inquiry about the treatment in the jewelry parts and some other online skill parts, please follow us and send us your inquiry. Okay, thank you. Bye.
让我们那几个直播的一起来合个影。多快，大家来一下。
我不看，我看打你。
那个放开了。
来，你们赶紧站。
快！合个影。还有2分钟。还有谁？我们丽。多快，还有1分钟。快来！
慢死了。
Vicky。丽。牙一会儿是新的。往这一点，往这点。往这错。
放不下就放外面。
啊，看见吗？
这样。
镜头，来了，1、2、3。
看一个小视频。EB China wish you a nice weekend. 来，预备开始。
1、2、3。
EB China wish you a nice weekend. 重来一遍。
最后里有个鱼的中文。
对 EB China wish you have a nice weekend. 看。
好了吗？1、2、3。
EB China wish you have a nice weekend. 嗯。